How to advise for the world of work? How to find a new job after a layoff? In this blog post, I will share my secrets as an active job seeker and a recruiter and give you critical insights into finding a new job after you've been laid off or fired. These are my proprietary secrets that I will share with you, and nothing about this post is generic, so read with all your attention and hopefully, you'll find another opportunity in no time. If you are fired or laid off, don't feel worthless or blame yourself. Except for a lucky few, most salaried and hourly professionals will lose their jobs at one point or another. Working for someone means you always have a noose around your neck. At any time, your employer could figuratively push you to your demise. Following your layoff, the first thing you should do is spruce up your resume. A job loss can be an opportunity in disguise. Being fired/furloughed could motivate you to start your own business or find a better job opportunity. Become an active job seeker. Indeed is the most resilient and responsive job search platform for candidates in the United States, and Indeed is the only job platform I recommend you should use to secure a new job. Indeed algorithm works on the frequency of how often you update your profile. The more often you update your profile, the higher up it will show on search results. Turn on the Ready to Work option. Indeed has a Ready to Work option, which tells recruiters that you are out of work and can join immediately. Employers would prefer that candidates are available to join immediately, so turning on this option can get you noticed quicker. Opt in to accept calls and SMS. Accepting calls and SMS allows recruiters to use the Indeed platform to call you. This is a new feature to turn on, as you know that the ring you receive is not spam and is from a legitimate recruiter. If you don't have a LinkedIn profile, it's time to create one. Add an Open to Work badge on your profile picture.